Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix audio is not working in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your audio is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you can try to go to your settings app, just go to settings, and in settings just go to Windows Update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here. If you find any kind of pending update, you just have to try to update your software. You can also go to advanced options, and here just go to optional updates, and you can try to install optional updates to your PC. And once you have done, it will help you to fix out your issue. Or if it's still not fix your issue, so you just have to go to home and just click on this find a setting, and you just have to search for troubleshoot settings. So I'm gonna search for troubleshoot settings here. And once you have searched, you just have to click on this other troubleshooters and then look for audio. Just click on audio, then click on drone in front of audio here. So on this screen, you might see your issues or what's happening with your audio section, why it's not working. So you just have to wait for until it's loading.